Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a friends group for your little chat in your Snapchat. And it's a really easy tutorial, but before we start with our video, please do like our video, share our video with your friends so they can also create a group with you, with your family, and you can subscribe our channel. So yeah, let's just start with our video. Go to your Snapchat. Once your app is open, you will just click this little message box icon below. Click the icon and then you will have your message pops up, your conversation, but all you have to do is you will see this blue message with a pencil on it below right corner. Click it and then now you can click new group. Click the new group option and then you can choose people, whoever you want. Just choose any random people that you would want in a group. Once you're done, click this chat with group. Yeah, now this is your group done. Now your group is done and you can either name your group, or if you don't want to, leave it, and now you can chat anything. That's how you create a group in your Snapchat. And I hope this video has helped you so far. Please do leave comments below regarding our videos, how you like it, what you will want next, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.